Good evening, Tuesdays Crypto. Big Boss coming to you again the day after Christmas. And I want to have a real quick chat with you about sticking with your guns and knowing what you're investing in. Sticking to your guns and knowing what you're investing in. And in particular, I'm going to talk about two cryptos. I'm sitting over here on CoinMarketCap.com, and real quick I'm just gonna do the nod to Shiba Inu. Okay, let's look at that. Right now it's sitting at 0.00003842. Some of you may remember that it hit an all-time high up there at 0.00008, and then it dropped down to 7, then 5, and there's a lot of people who feel like, oh my goodness, I lost my shirt on this. But there's a lot of people who caught the run up to right now, even this 0.000038. They made huge and massive gains, even where it is now. So to all those people who feel like you missed the boat because it ran all the way up to 0.00008 and then it fell, this is what I have to say to you. We keep trying to short these things and not looking at what it is. Do you believe that Shiba Inu is worth something or not? Were you impressed by the NFT drop? Are you aware that there's another NFT drop incoming? Are you aware that they have an entire infrastructure that they're going to publish? Are you aware that we're still waiting on it to launch on Robinhood? Are you aware that they're going to build an entire game around the NFTs that they already dropped? Well, if you are a subscriber to this channel, you're aware of all of these things. I invite you that if you're not a subscriber to go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this particular video. Stick to your guns and know what you're buying. Don't be afraid just because it goes down. Look at Shiba Inu. It's up 26% over the past week. And you better bet that in 2022, you're going to see it rocket up again. And I wonder what the naysayers are going to say then. Moving on, let's move over to Decentraland. Here we go again. Decentraland up on the rebound. There's all kinds of haters on Decentraland. Is it a real VR? I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it with my little glasses, my Oculus glasses. Is it going to be able to be used? It doesn't matter. It is a real VR platform. Go and check out some of the videos on this channel. I actually go into Decentraland, have a great time. It doesn't cost you anything to go and get yourself a Decentraland account. Go check it out for yourself and see, do you believe that this has potential? If you believe it has potential, then you understand that Manacoin is in its infancy. We haven't seen anything yet. Decentraland is going to go to the moon, and when it does, it's going to be a funny thing. All the people that remember this video, stick to your guns and know what you're buying. You're buying a coin that is tied to a real virtual reality platform that is online right now, accessible for people to go in and play with. Go over there and check it out. $4 for Manacoin is a bargain. Now, this is not investment advice, but I will say this: it's common sense. You need to get in where you fit in. Axie Infinity, Decentraland, VeChain. Look at these things and see what they do. Look at Theta Coin. See what this is about. There is absolutely no way that these things are going to go back to the pennies that they were worth 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. You missed that, but you don't have to miss a $20 Decentraland. You don't have to miss a $200 Axie Infinity. You don't have to miss a $8,000 Ethereum, and you don't have to miss a $100,000 Bitcoin. You don't have to miss a Shiba Inu that rolls up to 0.0001, 3 times where it is today. So I hope you've enjoyed this pep talk about sticking to your guns and knowing what you're buying. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.